In today's world, everyone wants to earn money online. If you're one of those and have decided to make money through cost per action marketing, also called CPA marketing, it is a good decision, and you are at the right video to learn about it. Before starting with CPA marketing, you should have a thorough understanding of each and every aspect of it. Hey there, and welcome to the Daytime Dollar, where we talk about financial strategies and how small changes can make big improvements. Today, we're talking about the basics of CPA marketing and provide a step-by-step guide to help beginners to start it without any hesitation. So let's get into it. What is cost per action marketing? Cost per action marketing is an affiliate strategy involving a partnership between an affiliate and an advertiser. An affiliate is responsible for providing marketing services for the advertiser. The affiliate earns a commission when a user or customer takes a specific action as a result of the marketing. The actions include watching videos, filling out a form, signing up for a trial, getting a code, and making a purchase. CPA marketing is a cost-effective and efficient way to drive conversions and increase revenue, and can be a great way for businesses to generate leads and sales, and also serve as a lucrative opportunity for individuals looking to earn money online as affiliates. A step-by-step guide to getting started with CPA marketing. Step number 1. Research CPA networks. CPA networks are platforms that connect advertisers with affiliates. They provide access to offers from various businesses and track the actions that are completed by affiliates. There are many CPA networks to choose from, each with its own unique set of offers and advertisers. So, do some research to find one that is a good fit for your business and target audience. Step 2. Choose a CPA network. After considering the necessary factors, you can settle for a CPA network that suits your goals. Join the platform and go through the necessary registration process. There are many paid platforms, but also some free to join. Step 3. Select an offer. If you're joining a CPA network as an affiliate, you can browse the available offers and choose one that is relevant to your target audience. CPA networks typically have a wide variety of offers available, from e-commerce products to insurance quotes. Each offer will have its own terms and conditions, such as the commission rate and the actions that are eligible for a commission. If you're joining as a business owner, you can upload your offer so affiliates can sign up. Remember to make the offer enticing, as affiliates will hardly sign up for an offer that is not lucrative. Step 4. Identify your target audience. The most important step in any marketing campaign is to identify the people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. This will help you create marketing materials that are relevant and appealing to your target audience. Step number 5. Create a marketing plan. Before you start promoting the offer, create a marketing plan that outlines how you will reach your target audience and convince them to complete the action. Your plan should include the channels you will use, that is social media, email marketing, content marketing, the messages you will share, and the goals you want to achieve. Step number 6. Create marketing materials. After creating a marketing plan, the next step is to create marketing materials that will help you promote the offer to your target audience. This could include a landing page, social media posts, or an email marketing campaign. Be sure to include a unique tracking link that is provided by the CPA network. This will help the network track the actions that are completed by your audience. Step number 7. Create a landing page. The next step is to create a landing page for your offer. Your landing page should be designed to capture leads and convert visitors into customers. Make sure to include a clear call to action, as well as any necessary forms or information about the offer. Step number 8. Drive traffic to your landing page. The final step is to drive traffic to your landing page. There are many ways to do this, including paid advertising, social media marketing, and content marketing. Experiment with different tactics to find the ones that work best for your offer and target audience. Step 9. Track your results. As your marketing campaign progresses, track the results to see how well it is performing. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make adjustments as needed. It's all about today's video. See you soon in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself, and goodbye.